G'day team, the Creating Success Challenge is starting on Monday. So it's only a couple of days away. A lot of people have registered, but some haven't that I thought would. And that was really interesting. And I get a lot of things like, oh yeah, I should have done that. Oh yeah, I remember that email. Oh yeah, I was going to do it, but life happened. So if you're getting this and you go, I want to do it, click on the link, just register. It's a 30-day challenge, starts on Monday. You get a video every single day, a different video every single day to create the success that is yours, not anybody else's, not mine, not the person beside you. It's your success. It could be starting a business, growing a business. It could be losing weight. It could be getting healthy. It could be finding a better relationship. Did I say that? Finding a relationship. Improving the relationship that you're in. It could be anything like that. So what's success mean to you? So based on that, you have the choice of what your success is, and you can put that into the framework and how you can make time to create more success for yourself in your situation. So the link's below. All you need to do is register, $47. It's in the link. It's right down the bottom. You go click on the link, put in your details, and away you go. And we'll see you on Monday for the Creating Success Challenge. Ciao.